You know you gotta climb some hills in Manchester. Guys! They not breed me. But they're barking like crazy. By a cran water. Because the sun is blazing at. Whoa, you never see she? Yeah. Hi everyone, what's up? Welcome and welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Harley and welcome back to the House of Love. If you are new here, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, leave a like on the video and share the video for me people. So today is Friday. Today is Friday, y'all, and I am about to go to the school that I am transferring Aguero to. Yeah, if you watched my previous video, I went to sort out some papers the other day to bring to the school, like to copy stuff and to bring to the school. So today I'm going to the school to see how best I can sort it out, and then on Monday I will have to go to the other school that he's attending now so I can get a letter saying that he's transferred from there to this school. But we are about to walk. It's close by. If you watched the video that I did before, excuse me, then you would know that the school is close to where we live, but it's a distance, but it's close. I don't have to take a taxi or anything. I can walk. So that we're going to know people, and then later on when I come back, I'm going to make something to eat, and we just going to chill until later. We go for daddy shop, go open the shop, and continue with video, guys. So please leave a like on the video. As I said, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend to run over to the House of Love and show your girl some love. Alright guys, so I reach on the top road. I mean, I'm going to walk again. See, I don't really want to walk, guys, but I'm tired. I had to climb 2 hills a while ago. And if you are from Manchester or from the community that I live in, you know you gotta climb some hills in Manchester. But I like it though. Manchester is nice. But people, we are walking around by the road now. And when we reach halfway, maybe we can walk back because it's a good walk. Can I see walk one? I have to go around the corner there, go around one next corner, go up one hill. Yo, it's a whole lot of walking. But I don't mind because I want to get this done, and then taxi don't run yourself so often because you know, see when me in the town how it's hard to get taxi to come by that road. So when we reach halfway, guys, me pick it up back. But me and Mateo there. See me? Say hi. Hi. Yeah, he might walk a little bit. Me soon take him up, guys. But me tired. Those 2 hills, they don't breed me. Guys, we reached 900 subscribers. Well, we're past 900. I'm at 902 people. What do you mean telling us that we're up on the road to 900, and you guys watch the videos, you guys subscribed, and now we are at 902. I don't know if you don't subscribe, I don't know, watch at least 1 or 2 video, the subscription is not going to stick. But big up Uno. Yeah, big up Uno and big up me too, because I've been putting in the work. But yeah, when we reach halfway, guys, don't the chatty. But guys, this is what we're doing. It's a beautiful Friday. Yeah, the sun is shining. I'm showing you. Come I love showing you. The sun is shining. The sky is blue and the clouds are beautiful. It's dewing a little bit. Guys, see the next corner there where me have to go around. It's dewing a little bit, but it's not heavy, so we don't need an umbrella. So we're gonna pick it up back when we reach halfway. Halfway we're picking up back, guys. Big up on yourself. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Yeah, I'm going to get my son transferred from the school that he's going to. That's what we're doing today, guys. It's beautiful. Alright people, so we reached halfway basically. I was bringing Mateo in my hand, so I got to move quicker. See him then put him down for walk again. He doesn't really want to walk, and then because he walks slow, guys, whew, me have to walk slow. But this is what we're doing. We reach halfway. Dogs are barking like crazy. I don't know what they're barking at, but they're barking like crazy. And you can hear them in the background. People at bush me live, yeah? Although everywhere bush. Everywhere has forestry. But I live in the hills and I like it. See me and Matty here. Him walking slowly, guys. Slowly, slowly, slowly. But we're almost reached, guys. Alright, so guys, I went to the school. See there, over there, so the school there. I'm not showing you the people in school. But I went to the school and I got through. So we're going to walk around now. When I go around, I explain to you what they said and stuff like that. But we are going home now. I'm soon show you what I got. Alright, so people, me and Matthew had to stop and buy a can water. Because the sun is blazing and Matthew is waiting people. And him take off him shoes up at the school. Because him see the pitney them and want run up and down. And him see one of him cousin. So him decides him want run up and down. And then she come grab him. And gone with him, run up and down. So him take off him shoes, say him going to bounce about. But no one was there to supervise them. So I said, no. It don't make no sense. Because the teachers are busy. Because as I said, they have one little event at the school. So yeah, we stop and buy one little can water. And we walk around. But all in all, guys, pertaining to the transfer, I basically got through. The lady says, the principal, says she can't write the acceptance letter until Monday because of the little event that they're keeping, which I fully understand. So she's saying I should come back on Monday. So I'm going to go Monday and then head to the other school that he's attending now so I can get the transfer letter from them to bring back to this school. But yeah, all in all, everything went all right. So I'm just going to continue the process of getting him ready to go to this school September. Pertaining to the payments that are on the list that they gave me, I asked about it and they said I can pay. It should be paid before, which made it fully ready for pay it before because it's a new school. I don't want to start to do like a bad reputation. You understand me? So I was planning on paying it before, but just to be sure, I asked and she said, yeah, you have to pay at least some before. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do when it gets closer, or before school close. I go around there and pay it before school close. People and me walk from when time when with this boy. Watch him. Jackie ride him and get enough. And in the palm neck a blow like he tired. The boy he blow like he tired, dada. He blow like wow guys like he tired. And I walk with him palm neck, you know. Cause he hackling for walk with him in my hand, man. He wait, man. And he walks slow, so throw him up on my neck, guys. As usual. Show them what I go on, Daddy. Nice pumpkin. Yeah. And hear him say him find one next one over in the bush. Right here, so.
Nice baby artist.
Where is she? Oh, I see her. Whoa, I never see she. People may say the pumpkin tree have blossomed so much. People no look. All on the tree limb the pumpkin a catch and a beer. Yeah. Niceness.
Stain them a stain pot, you know.
Lovely. Alright guys, may I have some coffee tea today? Yeah, some black coffee may I have today. And guys, may I want to show you this. Look at my beautiful tomato tree right at my back door. Like literally. It's so beautiful. I put one stick there guys, but it need a taller stick because it's getting taller. Yeah, it's getting really taller. But it's beautiful.
enough love from the House of Love. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.